hit by a fucking 300 feet per second BB hit me in the nutsack.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
Everybody, okay. All right, you've got to be able. Shh. All right. The rules are, hey, wait. Okay. For all those who don't know, this is Joey, and she's gonna eat this sandwich, a chunky peanut butter sandwich, while watching 2 Girls 1 Cup. She's got the rules are, she's got to eat the whole sandwich and you got to cram. Remember that. You got to eat that whole sandwich by the time the video is over. It takes 1 minute, so you got to eat that sandwich in 1 minute. Can you do it? At least half of it.
Okay,
and then you got to be able to hold it down, and you cannot blink, you cannot look away. You're going to have to watch the damn video. All right, everybody ready?
Move that keyboard.
$20.
$20 for Joey if she can do it and hold it down for 20 minutes after watching 2 Girls 1 Cup. All right.
$20, Joey.
$20. All right. Start playing and start eating. Go. Eat.
Oh wow.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow.
Watch. Don't look away. Watch. Come on, $20. Come on. You can do it. Oh. You're missing it. You're missing the movie.
This is the best part.
Oh. Okay.
Shut it off.
Shut it off. Are you serious? That wasn't very long.
Shut it off.
You don't want to touch it. That was just my hands.
Oh, come on, $20.
Oh no, dude, no more. That was.
Are you all right?
Shut it off.
Dude, we need to put that
You
on
gotta
YouTube.
finish watching. Oh.
I can't touch his mouse.
All right. Okay. All right. Oh.
You take it off.
No.